Ugh. Whew. Hey, cut the rope. What are you doing? Whoa. You know that video I made? Oof! Yeah? It already has 20 views. Holy Jesus, that's insane, guys. Absolutely insane. You must really want this face reveal right now. If you got a mushroom, you look like a mushroom. No, I don't. Oh. Well, anyway, what are you doing? Well, I was just sitting down until your ass showed up. Oh. Really? Yeah, really. Oh. Now shut up before I throw this angry bird at you. See, look at how angry he is. I'm so angry, I'm red. I don't think that was there before. Get out of the way, I need to fix this. No, wait.